I got y'all right here on the weekly. As y'all can see, we did have this large bull flag formation, but I caught up in this craziness, along with the other coins. But as y'all can see right here, the 20 and the 50 EMA is actually crossing on the weekly chart. So basically what I'm saying is it's supposed to be a bull flag formation. It still will be a bull flag formation. I mean, you just get it in while you can. Because also, as y'all can see where it came down to, see at the bottom of the wick, look to the left, literally right here in between those two, and literally half of this candlestick right here. Because technically, it could come down to here, you know what I'm saying, because it's wicked off. So I could see it come dropping down to here and then, making a reversal. But it came literally halfway, just for confirmation in between these, just because. Because actually, if you can actually look at these candlesticks with the wicks, right, they literally still recover everything. So you got a way wick up here, right? Boom. Then you got the full body. And then next one comes down, literally. You see the way the wick starts where it ended on the other one and goes up. But it literally did this the whole way up, basically. So this is all technically recovered. And then you see this right here too. Look at that straight recovery all the way down there. So everything technically been recovered. So all we had to do was come back down here just cause. But like I said, it did a little extra. It went halfway through the body of the candlestick. So that should definitely be the low. And we should get a reversal because we should be going back to where we should be. As you can see, it's basically like straight line straight through here, right? Let's imagine this continuing on, even just the right there. But you can see we already got two tests right here, right? Boom, boom. So whenever we do come up here, I mean, we still looking at the all-time high. We still talking about, I believe we still will hit that $50 mark within this cycle. Especially with a drop like this, it's about to really make some moves because, I mean, everything's super recovered. They got the extra bread they need. We got a 20 crossing the 50 on the weekly chart. Like, yeah, we definitely about to make some crazy moves. Just like this right here. I mean, like, it's no denying it. Cause like from the weekly chart, obviously, just from the weekly chart, just look at that. That was about $8 just to recover this one candlestick right here, right? But it could easily recover this one too, and this one too, and that one too, all at the same time, because it's basically a steady move down, you might as well say. Even just up to that next wick up here, I mean, that's like, what, $13.50? You know what I'm saying? It's like around 3x. We down up here. I mean, that's the thing. I mean, it could go as fast as it wants. But definitely by 16, I know we're getting a retrace there, a slight retrace, but we still just continue up. Because also, even like I mentioned just now, I mean, it's already two tests up here too. So this thing is already literally set to make some crazy numbers, man. It really is, especially across on the weekly. But let's go a little closer. Let's look at the daily. Daily super drop. I mean, look at the 100 up here. Like I always tell you, it's supposed to be a 200 way down here, then a 100. Then you got the 20 and 50. But, I mean, they're clearly well below. So, I mean, anytime you see that, you know what I'm saying, when you hear body dip, that's what that means. But, it depends on the kind of trader you are, obviously. So, basically, coming up here, getting resisted by the 20, 20, 20. But we're seeing the reversal. As y'all can see, in higher low. It's going to be another higher low. Continuing on. So, let's hit this 4 hourly. 4 hourly shows it better. You can see the resistance right here, boom, off to 50. Just came down and dropped. We finally got this large candlestick. This one up, meaning it broke through the 50. It was below the 20 also. Broke through the 20. Came through the 50. See the way it went back down? This what I mean. So this how you know it's about to reverse because we broke through already considerably. Just as a wick. So you're coming back down. Since we below the 20, now we gotta come basically bounce off the 20. And then our next move should come all the way up here to the 100 day. And I would say that's around 8. I'll just say 850, keep it simple, around that general area, right? With a nice wick above it. But then, we're going to get a retracement to bounce off this 50. And then we do the same thing. We come up here to the 200. And basically that'll be us coming out the full gap in general, around 11.5, $12 range, coming bouncing off the 200, and then we'll start our move right back up. But this will be a very fast move. I mean, because this thing is so low. I mean, you can clearly see the 200 and 100 up here. And like I always tell y'all, supposed to be down here, 100, 200, then a 20 and 50. But, you know, I mean, it's the perfect time to do what you want to do. You know, I never give financial advice at all. You know, y'all grown and make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.